Why don't you put an SCB2 and bring that in instead? Leave SRB out, and then we'll just leave SCB2 in forever.
Okay. Okay, verify SRC, pussy bed. What are those things going over? What is that, Jack? Hey, something just hit here. What blew? Hey, what is that? Oh, your antenna. It's that styrofoam off the high gain antenna package. On the limb? No, the one you deployed. The rover high gain antenna. My God, it blew up. Yep. I thought we'd been hit by a. Look at that stuff just kept flying over the top of our head. I thought we were the closest witnesses to a lunar meteor impact. I wonder if that's the same glass I picked up. Oh, I don't know.
John says it blew up on his mission too, guys.
Wow. Isn't that what you thought it was? Isn't that what you thought it was? Huh? I thought you were kidding. No, I'd never seen that before. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that was a... No, you just, when you saw that stuff coming, I didn't see that at all. Holy smoly.